Yes.
Good morning. I can see Akshata, Akshima, Pooja, Akanksha Sharma, Madhuri, Vimlesh, Diksha, Sonu, Sakshi, Shivani. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very
Good
nice
morning,
to see
ma'am.
you. So we will start on time. So you keep joining, okay? एंड अभी भले ही अभी अपना चाहे तो वीडियो म्यूट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही सेशन शुरू होगा 11 बजते ही आप अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिएगा प्लीज. ओके, कीप योर ऑडियो म्यूटेड एंड कीप योर वीडियो ऑन and try to remain calm, try to remain stationed at one place, don't walk around, इधर उधर मत घूमते रहो, आराम से एक जगह बैठिए और please try that you can ask questions when we are prompting you to. तब आप अपना नीचे वाले बैंड में देखिए, यहाँ पे मोर में एक जगह है वेयर यू कैन रेज हैंड. मोर जहाँ है वहीं पे आप क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको दिख जाएगा रेज हैंड, और वहीं पे चैट का ऑप्शन भी है. तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन है तो आप वहाँ उस क्वेश्चन को चैट पे लिख सकते हैं, या यू कैन रेज योर हैंड एंड इफ वी आस्क यू टू अनम्यूट, then unmute and then ask the question. Okay, so these are the basic things which I want to let you know. I'll reconnect. अभी मैं म्यूट रख रही हूँ मेरे अपने आप को, क्योंकि मैं एक्सपर्ट. Good morning, everyone. Kindly mute yourself. Swarna, Akshata, Pooja, Akanksha, Himanshu, Akshima, Mahima, Juhi, Diksha, Shaurya, Tanisha, Tahir, Urmila. Your videos are not on. Please make sure that your videos are on, because the person who is going to talk to you is a very very interactive person. तो और कोशिश करिए कि आप एक जगह पर स्टेशन रहें, इधर उधर घूमे नहीं. अपने मोबाइल पे अगर अटेंड कर रहे हैं तो भी कोशिश करिए कि इधर उधर घूमे नहीं. दीपमाला धाकर, बेटा एक जगह बैठना, इधर उधर घूमना नहीं. Akanksha and Nikhat, your audios are unmuted. Please mute it. नीचे बैंड में एक माइक जैसा आएगा, उस माइक को क्रॉस कर दीजिए तो वो, हाँ, गुड निखत. आपने वीडियो भी ऑफ कर दिया निखत, लेकिन वीडियो ऑन रखना है, ऑडियो म्यूट करना है. महिमा, प्लीज ऑडियो म्यूट करिए. If any student want to ask a question, please you can raise your hand in the band given at the lower end of Zoom. एक जैसे आप क्लिक करते हैं तो नीचे बैंड में मोर करके एक ऑप्शन आता है. There you can go and you can see the raise hand option या ताली का ऑप्शन. इस तरह से ऑप्शन है, या आप थम्स अप दे सकते हैं. सिमिलरली देयर इज अ मोर ऑप्शन में चैट करके है. चैट में आप अपने क्वेश्चंस लिख सकते हैं अगर कोई क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं तो. I understand this is a mode which we are now leading through. It is very very difficult, but at the same time we have no other option, so we have to learn the new normal. We have to be on the new system, and I hope that you would love to attend like class like this for the beginning, and definitely I feel that आपको अच्छा लगेगा. मेरी आवाज तो आ रही है ना आप सबको? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. थैंक यू ताहिर. Dr. Sanjay, please mute your audio. Thank you. महिमा, दीक्षा, आप लोगों का भी प्लीज ऑडियो म्यूट करिए. महिमा, दीक्षा, राजदीप, नमन, प्लीज अपना ऑडियो म्यूट करिए.
तो आप मेरे लैपटॉप से
Well, I see that our guest still needs to join in. हमारे जो expert speaker हैं, he still needs to join in. I am just checking. ये ना इनको पूछ लो कि उन्होंने ज्वाइन कर लिया क्या, नहीं करा तो उनको हेल्प करा. I am happy all the students to state that Professor P.K. Singh, our Dean and Chairman Faculty of Commerce, has joined the meeting. I am just waiting for the guest expert today, Colonel Lamba, to join in. उनका नंबर ले लो, संजय के फोन से कर लेना. Good morning, Colonel Lamba, Jogendra Singh ji.
You are so nice, and sorry we got caught up with the changes anyway.
Yes, sir. I'm very happy to state that Professor P.K. Singh, our Dean and Chairman Faculty of Commerce, is also present here. And I extend a very warm welcome to both of you. Professor P.K. Singh is an expert into banking and business economics, and also has been a very great academician and has driven many professional courses in our university. It's my proud privilege to welcome Professor P.K. Singh on this occasion where we are starting with the classes today. And also here, I would like to give a very brief introduction of a very illustrious speaker today. Sometimes it becomes very difficult to say that, गागर में सागर में कैसे भरूं, क्योंकि जो पर्सनालिटी हमारे सामने है वो बहुत बड़ी है एंड बहुत जबरदस्त उनका जो है प्रोफाइल रहा है. मैं आपको ये बता दूं कि आर्मी, इंडियन आर्मी में जो भी व्यक्ति सर्व करता है वो देश की सेवा का जज्बा तो रखता ही है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं आर्मी से रिटायर होने के बाद भी the soldier never dies. It is said that the soldier in you never dies, so you continue to serve the nation. मैंने आप सभी लोगों को लांबा सर का इंट्रोडक्शन कल ही भेज दिया था। MHRM के सभी बच्चों को मैंने ये इंट्रोडक्शन सर का भेज दिया था कि वो क्या हैं। आप सोचिए कि 1969 में वो कमीशन ऑफिसर बने, and he has been visiting faculty for the Rajasthan Police Academy, BSNL Regional Telecom Training Center, Rajasthan Institute of Public Administration, where the RAS officers are trained. He has been into various boards and have served in multiple capacity in many professional organizations. The wonderful part is that I always believe a good trainer is the one who learns and never say die attitude. And I always call Colonel Lamba a young boy, because he has that energy of young boy. जबकि सर हम सबसे बड़े हैं उम्र में भी, अनुभव में भी, and he is an international speaker, as you can see that even in American Speaker Society and so many other associations, he is a wonderfully acclaimed speaker. And today we are privileged that he would be speaking on the personality development aspect. And who better than an armed person would be able to tell you about the personality development? I owe a lot to the NCC exposure, which I had for 6 years and became the first selected naval officer in India. And that's the reason that I feel I have a lot of good qualities from the background which we learned through these exposures. And who better than Colonel Joginder Singh Ji Lamba could have been here as a first assigned lecture for the batch of 2021. And on this occasion, our faculty members are also joining Lamba sir. I'm so happy to see Dr. Sachin Gupta and Dr. Devendra Shrimali, Dr. Renu and Dr. Vinod also joining in, and few more faculty members have joined here. बिकॉज ये खाली क्लास हमारे MHRM के बच्चों तक ही सीमित नहीं रखी हमने। आपके इलस्ट्रियस करियर को देखते हुए हमें लगा कि हमें सबको ये अनुभव देना चाहिए। इस मौके पर मैं प्रोफेसर PK सिंह साहब से निवेदन करना चाहूंगी कि सर 2 शब्द आप वेलकम के कहें और हमें आशीर्वचन प्रदान करें ताकि हमारे इन बच्चों का सेशन बहुत अच्छा गुजरे।
पीछे का
प्रोफेसर PK सिंह। आई थिंक आज हमारा थोड़ा सा इंटरनेट में सर कुछ इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, तो प्रोफेसर सिंह ने ज्वाइन किया था, शायद वो वापस छूट गए हैं। नहीं, ही इज देयर। प्रोफेसर PK सिंह सर, प्लीज अपने आशीर्वचन से हमें अनुग्रहित करें। Yeah, sir, you are muted, sir. लांबा सर, मैं 1 मिनट कोशिश करती हूँ सर को कॉल करने की। Just give me a second. Dr. Sachin, am I audible?
Yes, madam, you are audible.
Okay, thank you.
जी
कर्नल
जी
साहब,
मैम.
कर्नल साहब, प्रोफेसर सिंह ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. शायद इंटरनेट का कोई इशू है. आप तब तक अपना शुरू कर सकते हैं सर. लांबा सर.
कर दिया जोत्स्ना.
जी, लांबा सर, प्लीज अपना स्पीच आप शुरू कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, we would start एक मतलब प्लान. हेलो.
हाँ, कर्नल साहब प्लीज शुरू करें. सिंह साहब बीच में ज्वाइन करेंगे तब बता देंगे. अपने अपने मन की बात वो रखेंगे तभी.
बहुत मेहरबानी.
जी सर.
I think this way. Let them.
एक सेकंड, कुछ और भी दबा हुआ है जोत्स्ना. जैसे क्या है कि हाँ क्यों.
सर कोई परेशानी है क्या?
हाँ, कुछ इसमें हैंग हो गया था. Can you hear me now?
Yes sir, we can very well hear you.
Oh, that's wonderful. I think we'll hold it here only.
Yes sir.
So I take this proud privilege, and it is a great honor, madam, to be with you and your faculty members, as well to your students who are so keen, and they are fortunate to have the faculty like you, Mr. P.K. Singh and other members. It is something very special talking to you all on a particular subject, which is beginning of life, where we take birth till we leave this world. This phenomena of personality development carries on. It never stops. And as per the Indian philosophy of life, we take even rebirths to perform. So that is the ongoing process of growth, development, and progress for an individual from beginning to the end. It is something very special to be with you all today, and in particular, bang on your inauguration of the program. And I'm really touched by the faculty members who came forward to talk to me or listen to me or interact with me as well, in addition to the student, bright student. So in the very beginning, what we think is about little of personality. This persona is a Latin word which has taken us to the personality. So what you speak is your personality. In Hindi, it is said, आपकी वाणी से आपके व्यक्तित्व का परिचय होता है. What you speak gives out everything of it. Your गुण, कर्म, स्वभाव, नीति, वृत्ति, आचार, विचार, व्यवहार. Vyavahar is the summation of all together, and that speaks volume of an individual from beginning, where genetically is born from, or where the environmental effect on him, and then he passes his journey from beginning to the end of his life. He leaves this world. So this period of being in this world of survivability comes about by individuals. Beginning would be bang from the parents, and in the early stages of life, the parents play most important role, and individual grows with them only. Various surveys, studies, research have been carried out where every individual has been found to grow in the lap of mother, and to the extent of old Mahabharata, where Abhimanyu learned bang in the womb of his mother, and when Arjuna possibly was trying to tell her all about the Chakravyuh strategy. And the lady went to sleep. And Abhimanyu possibly couldn't catch up. And he got caught into the cauldron of the so-called Chakravyuh. And he couldn't come out of it. So learning starts from the womb of the mother. So that is what the temperament builds from, of all of us. So the soul development starts there from. And we to understand that as such would be our relationship we form with the source of our, the life we have born from parents. And so is the wisdom, knowledge we borrow from our teacher, colleagues, friends, people around, places we go to. And that creates a kind of interest in us. And that interest makes initiative to take, and it is a drive through the life. So with that, I personally feel that all of you, those who are now these grown-up children, they have crossed the stage of adolescence. And there are various stages which they must have experienced. So there is nothing new I'm talking to you. But various research and scientists, behavioral scientists have come forward. That person, everything for future is all fixed, they say, temperamentally, within the 2 years of age. Earlier, as per the Indian philosophy, it was up to our sages and saints have done a wonderful job. And they have said that it used to be only 12 years. You continue to formulate, form your indelible impressions they take on you, and that carries you throughout the life. But let me share with you, each one of us are unique, and each one is different than the other one. You all understand. If even twins born to a mother, one is suckling, another is waiting. So the boy or the girl who is waiting will be different than the boy who is suckling. Mera number kab aayega? So one is playing, another is studying. One is asleep, another is playing some games. So each one of us are unique. So I do not specifically say that the personality traits are specific to particular numbers, or personality as such are divided into different parts by various scientists, behavioral scientists, to the extent of 64. So how can you bracket an individual in a particular group of people or segment of the society as such, or mankind as a whole? So I would say there are 780 crores people, so there are 780 crores personalities, and each one is distinctively different than the other. So I always feel that one should open up to and not to bother about how others are working or growing, because each one is distinctly different. Two brothers face may be alike, but their traits, their total skills where they develop with their own interest, attention, and initiative they take in their life, or each stage of life, to whom you come in contact. We call it choose to meet and choose to eat. Meet means the people of your interest, and eat means what is your intake in totality. Intake means food. Intake means total environment on you, which is working on you. So that is called, nurture factor. And nature we come from, that is our mother. That is genetical factor which have made us different. And we should be thankful to this God, or God means the mother here in particular, who has given you birth, who brought you in this world. That's what the whole totality comes into play. That what you are made of, your temperament, is from your mother, genetical factor. You must have heard that a beautiful lady walked up to a philosopher, you all know him, and asked that if you can marry, the child will be most intelligent and genius like you, and will be beautiful like me. You know what happened? He says, no, if it other way happens, then what will be the future of the child? So if he is ugly like me and beautiful like you, people will hate him. So the totality of individual growth is not on the face or body or it would be more inner strength of a person, internally how you develop yourself. So those are known as skills. The parents teach you, your teacher teach you, your friends teach you, your company. So the bigger they grow, those who go all out to reach out, seek out and search out to meet your interest, and that will draw your attention, and then you will take on your initiative to catch up with this world or with this society or wherever you reach out to be. Each one of us have our individual world. There are 780 crores world here. There is not one single world. Each person is a world himself in its entirety, institution. And together they catch up with, there are special sterling traits, qualities, which are in each personality. And they are not bound to be only 10 or 20 or 16, or there are different, there are various negative, positive facets of individual. Those cannot be branded as a grouping of personality, which is done many times by many of the scientists. Now I have also grown in life, so I have evolved my own way of looking at things. So this is the way I feel, that there is something beyond what you reach out to learn, that comes out of the PP factor. PP means people. Those who meet maximum number of people and visit maximum number of places, they grow multidimensionally. I have learned the personality traits and dimensions of personality, 64 of them. But I wasn't satisfied there. I still feel that there are number of people on this mother earth, that many personalities. And between them, the men and women. Women are now 50% or so of the world today, but they also are distinctly different. And look at the miracle of this world is, mother who is a woman gives birth to a man, the child. We are all born out of mother. See, and distinctly the genetical facet of it, the girl born of the same mother or the boy are distinctly different. Look at the uniqueness and look at the way the whole thing is all about. So we have borrowed our life from our parents, and so is the wisdom from our parents as well as teachers, colleagues, friends, and we keep collecting, synthesizing, and disseminating. More you collect, more bigger you grow. Your mind is such that it can accumulate so much. That means you can, and whatever little you will learn, let me share with you all. I am now 75. That would be at end of the day. That means you need to take so many births, and then you will catch up with the worldly things and know the world. And each one is a unique. I said with you, what you know, I do not know. But what little I know, you also do not know. So there is a need to meet each other, to develop oneself. I was abroad in US, at this Europe, and I found in a bathroom, it is written there, you will not grow rich sitting here. Oh God, what a message I got. I had gone there to train myself. And training is again a kind of inquisitiveness in you to learn. And more you learn, more inquisitiveness you will develop. In different field you go, you would like to know that. And that's what the true growth of a person is. So in self-development factor or personality development factor, one has to understand oneself first. You see, more of it, we are very good observer. We keep saying so-and-so like this, so-and-so like this, so-and-so. We keep commenting upon, we keep expressing our views on our teacher, even to the extent on parents. Whereas typically it is said that the teacher, that is guru, the mother and father, parents, उनको बात सुननी चाहिए, जरा नहीं करनी चाहिए उनकी बातों पर, because they are there to give their best to you, and when you get their best, you will feel the best. And when you feel the best, you grow the best. So that is a basic development of self in that sense. I'm not typically trying to share with you what is in a Google or what are the various things in the books. I might have my own experiences, and Dr. Rajeshwari has rightly said, I was fortunate to feel that I need to learn. Even in Defense Forces, there was so much. But thereafter, while I met the academic or people like Dr. Rajeshwari, it really inspired me that there is so much to learn in this world. And this factor of people and places, not that I have reached out to larger number, but certainly it made all the difference. And I'm as keen, she called me young boy. I'm a young old man, you can call me. And I have two sons who are defense officers. My daughter is a doctor. And I keep learning from them. Each one of you, my teacher. The whole world, we are extension of one another. So I look at a person, Jatak in Hindi, you know, this Indian philosophy or so-called Jyotish Vidya has divided the personality in 12 parts. These months are there to have a zodiac sign, that is sun sign oblique moon sign. And further than these academic or the Jyotish Vidya, those who are gurus, they further, you know, write your personality. The day you are born, surprising, there is no science in the world, except Indians we have. They tell your parents, this is the Janampatri and this child is going to grow like this. And no two children, no two people are born on the same day, same time, they are different. Whereas they keep in mind the various effects of various planets on you. You can wonder, I really wonder where we were and where we are. Earlier, no doubt in between we started average age was 38 or so, 40. And now it is 70, around 70, 68, 70 years. Earlier, men lived for 150 years, 250 years. That was because of personality they developed. The trust they enjoyed each other. The life they shared with each other. That is called personality development. Except then individually, when you reach out, if you are a happy-go-lucky person, which you have right to be one, you rest assured the delightfulness will lead to mindfulness. You will become conscious of things around you. You will have so much in-depth understanding that you will catch up straightway from facial impressions, the appearance bearing of a person. And then person will be very happy that you are so conscious of her and his existence. That itself is a credit. That itself is a acknowledgement you have given him. That is something very in today's life. That day, an old man was walking through the street, and I went for a walk. And I wished that old man. And you know what happened? When I said Ram Ram, so he kept saying Ram Ram Sahab. So I returned. And I asked him, Baba, आपने मुझे लगा, मैंने एक बार राम राम क्या, आप लगातार राम राम कह रहे हैं? अरे साहब, पूरी जिंदगी निकल गई, किसी साहब ने मुझे पहली बार राम राम बोला. Look at this, fantastic. And thereafter I learned, while I conduct my small programs at home and in a small institution I have opened, and you don't have to pay anything for that. So I teach the student or whoever comes to me, even elder, they say, how can we change ourselves? Oh, Mogo, it is simple. He says, how? Mogo, you start walking smartly. He says, how come? What do you mean? Every person walks 100, 120 steps per minute. You walk 140. You walk 200. You will draw attention of people. You will have more confidence that you are walking smartly, smarter than others you are. And you will see the change by evening. So is the case of wishing everybody. IT students or those who are there with me, they say, Saab, I really don't know how to get along with people. Oh, very easy. He says, how come? I'm going to start wishing people. When you come out, you wish your mother, parents, children, anybody and everybody. Whole day, whenever you pass through. And they will be so happy that somebody wished them. Then they will ask, kiski beti hai? Kiska beta hai? Kaun si hai madam ye? And you will find by evening, I have been given the feedback by the parents. अरे कर्नल लांबा हमारा तो किस्मत ही बदल गया. वो कैसे हो गया एक दिन में? बोला सारे जो परिवार वाले हैं और गली में मोहल्ले में जो लोग हैं ये कहते हैं आपका तो लड़का ही बदल गया. पहले नीचे देखकर चलता था, अब सीधा देखता है, हर एक अंकल आंटी भैया को प्यार करता है, बात करता है. अरे सर कमाल हो गए, हमारी बातें नहीं सुनता था. तो मैं कैसे बताऊं कि उसकी पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स बदली हो रहे हैं. ये है असलियत जिंदगी की. तो हर आदमी, if you reach out like this, you will create a wonders to yourself. You yourself realize that people started acknowledging your existence because you started acknowledging their interest, individuality. So it is like this. You see, we will have to together, and with this you would find that whatever little madam must have circulated you so-called handout I have prepared, and I assure you the best one out of the whole is know yourself, because until unless we know ourselves we would not know others. And it's very unique to understand that why should you know yourself, because until unless you know, you will not come to know where to go. That is the game of life. And just simply questionnaires are there in that, what you are and what you think you are. All of us, either we think we are more than what we are, or we think we are less than what we are. If you are less, then you have a complex. And if you are more, you have a superiority complex. So to balance yourself, you get to get down to the reality. What others say, don't bother, because others say on their own views. Each one has his own paimana. Somebody has 11-inch paimana, another has 13-inch paimana. So he and she measure from that. So what you are and what you think you are, what he and she thinks you are, what your parents and together people think you are, these are distinctly different persona each one of you are. So if you can put together, you will be a rocket. You will be a living God. There is not a words to motivate you or bolster or boost your morale or individuality. It's the reality. What this Dr. Rajeshwari has come about, I little saw of her, but that little was so big for me because so many things I didn't have. Oh, this is the right person I found to learn from. It is true. I just want to, likewise, each one of you, you may be young children, each one of you are, but then once I meet you, I found there will be so much with you which I do not have. So what attracts me more is your quality, your traits. And if I have a skill to develop, those will sharpen the traits. So the personality is of traits. And then if you develop your skills, that will sharpen your personality. So those who have improved upon the various skills to learn and share with others, what is skill is to grow yourself with something special which will make you much more capable, much more active in life. Otherwise you get stagnated. So if you start loving people, PP factor, and start loving places, I assure you, sky is the limit. These professors, these academic, these learned people, and so many big name and fame Dr. Rajeshwari has given me, I assure you, I have just by virtue of it, by openness, I could develop, but I haven't developed what she has said. This is what the truth is, reality. When you peep into yourself, you get to know how hollow you are. And once you get to know that, that will be a driving force. That will not stop you. I was once here, as he has given out, You know, when we people go old and we talk a lot of wisdom and share a lot of ideas here and there, people think, oh, I love big man. So they decided I am an intellectual personality of Rajasthan. And I was awarded as such by the governor. And I was asked to speak. I said, surprising is that I never thought I will ever be declared as an intellectual personality. The fact is, probably what I could talk about, what people could see me around, thought so. They decided for me. And in my heart of hearts, I said, I exactly know how hollow I am. That is what matters. But that made a very big constraint on me, put control on me. And now I can't behave like a foolish man because they have declared me intellectual. Now see the control. So my wife at times cuts a joke on me that I'm going to tell the people that he is not what you all think of him. You know that? Because she thinks that he reads and he talks about things and he's saying he's a big man. I never said I'm a big man. They made me to realize how small man gets personified by virtue of special traits you acquire. More than what you got it inherited from your parents, what skill development has helped you in your seeking out and searching out. And that happens by being delightful. That makes you mindful, conscious of things, and leads to being insightful. So once you are insightful, you are focused. Everybody will start liking for you because you are conscious of people around you. And sooner you get focused, by God, you would be doing an amazing thing. To you, surprise will come to yourself that every person start liking you, start appreciating you because you appreciate others. This is another factor. Sooner you start develop a habit of appreciating, I assure you, take case of visit with 100 people per day or 200, whatever number come in your way. They have got one wish each, whereas you have got 200 wishes. So you are so empowered by night. You will have such a sound sleep, so much energy, strength in you that you wish 200 people. They have got one wish each, and you have got 200 wishes from them. They reciprocated. Sooner you realize this, that people reciprocate much more than what you give, you will reach out, seek out, and search out newness, anything, everything. Every day, it is nothing to talk big of what Meyer or Brigg or various researchers and behavioral scientists have done, or our forefathers, or our sentient sages. I assure you, they have taken not pain, they enjoy doing it, understanding it. No, you must enjoy while working. That is hard work. Hard work means engagement of mind, reaching out to insightfulness. And the sooner you start enjoying what you are doing, not that I have developed all that habits, but gradually it comes to that when you grow old or with your experiences. More experience means not necessarily old men. We have in typical, mules in the army. We found not of much of use. We kill that mule. So mule remains a mule. But in your case, as a human being, we grow so much multidimensionally that we develop, our body becomes, we get aged, and we are not as young and as dynamic as you, each one of you are. But certainly, people respect and regard us not by virtue of we are old people, by virtue of these traits we have acquired over a period of time. So oldies also must think that, for all of you, that tomorrow you will grow old. If you just grow old like a mule, then certainly you will be out. But if you grow old with the personality traits which you need to permeate and radiate to the society, then people will worship you. And these old and so-called Devta and Devi, they were those people. They were those people who developed themselves. That developed their personality so big that your parents, my parents, or our ancestors made an idol out of them and started worshipping when they left this world. So also talks about the same thing. He says, 1,000 years back, humanity at large had the similar approach, but they could reinforce each other's strength, and that's each other's strength is development of personality. Those traits, you share so much, you will get in return. So that is the biggest thing for all of you to learn at this stage, when you have crossed the stage of adolescent now and walked up to be more, perform role and responsibility of higher level and sustain yourself. Parents have brought you up, and now it is you got to every day, moment day, how big you are growing, how good you are growing. Sooner they get to know that you have so many friends, you have so many colleagues, you are learning new skills, you are learning this, where you have come to, this institute where you have come to, you are very fortunate. How many people in the world are fortunate like you? Very few. People can't afford. How many people are listening to me, what I'm talking to you? Very few. So similar is the case. You reach out to not only learn, to gain, gather, garner strength in you. Imbibe those best of it and follow them. Large number of people, that day I was, I think, speaking to Dr. Rajeshri only. There is a gentleman with whom I said, wisdom shared is wisdom multiplied. He was very happy. He big thumb he showed me and he said, Lama Sahib, you've been very kind. Acknowledging or, greeting me in that sense. Then I said and applied. Wisdom said is wisdom multiplied and applied. If it is applied, that is the true gain. Otherwise, what is the use of wisdom? It is there in the books. Everybody gives you all kind of lectures and pep talk or motivation lectures and everything possible. But until unless you apply it, how will you grow? How will you strengthen your personality traits? Or how will you enhance? Personality traits are not 10. There are thousands, there are n many number of people. There is a cosmo effect. You merge with the whole and whole merges with you. Mark this. This is the most important aspect. Sooner you realize this, you know what happens? You are universally acceptable. Everyone feels as if you are part of him, or you feel part of everybody. And sooner that thing is achieved, then you will realize minutely, you will become so sensitive because you have merged with the whole and whole merges with you. So the distinction is not there in particular. Distinction is of the values, ethos, ethics, and convictions. That difference makes you different, but you still accept them. It is like a child who is not okay, suppose not well taken care of, or you pick up that child. He will be very happy. But if you have conditional factor that you will pick up, he cleans his nose, or he is not, his clothes are fine, and so that is conditional. You accept him or take him in your lap or put him on your shoulder, he will start holding your ears. Yeah, caressing will start, and he will say, you are the best person on earth. This is the game of life. If you behave this way, with behavior is the culmination, summation of all the traits of personality, and which I shared with you. Vani Vyaktitva ka परिचय hai. The madam has given such a big, read out so many things. They are cumulative effect. If you read, if you pass one certification course or a degree in 2 to 3 years, by the end of the day, I mean, once you are 60, 70 years, you will have 40 degrees to your credit. You will be known as the most learned person on earth. So this is what it is. But that is not a satisfaction you get. With that, what you have learned will get, your behavior will get permeated, radiated to this. Oh God, he to reach there. Person is not known big by wealth or dizzy heights you have gained, not at all. They also go in the same way. What you have gained as an individual, what you have given as an individual, that matters most. And that goes on whole day. It is phenomenally on all the time. If you are well sad person who has acquired all possible traits of a not only a big mind but of a person, you rest assured sooner you will find there will be change in the house, there will be change in your surrounding, neighborhood, colleagues, various groups, various association you are related with, and sooner they start giving you more attention and more responsibility because you can perform. You have that balance in your thought, speech and action, all three. Large number of people talk big, but their actions do not match the talk what they have given. So then people get dismayed that he is a fake. Why did the person feel so? Because the talks is not matching the action. That is what it is. And likewise, persona as such is more internal. Traits are all internal. You cannot have a badge or a insignia tie on your, as I am having one, or I keep putting so many here and there to give the impression that I've been abroad, I'm well exposed. So people walk up to me, oh sir, you have been to UNO, you are doing this, you are with that. It is to present and project, which I have given you, know yourself. What you are, what you think you are, what you project you are. You always project more than what you are because you try to show off. Or if you are psychologically weak or inferiority complex you suffer from, then you are not able to project, or you are not projecting, you are projecting no. So you have so much potential in you. You don't have to feel that you are lower than anybody. You are unique. So that word uniqueness of a self itself gives you tremendous confidence that there is nobody parallel to me. And if that is so, then you will walk smartly, you will talk smartly, you will learn smartly. And likewise, everything else, you will find, you will see today when you have come forward to start the program today, soon you will find after a few days, there will be so much change in you because speakers like me would be so many there, not one. They'll expose you to the best of the speakers. They spend money, they spend time, they spend energy for you. That part also is very, very important. That's called attitude of gratitude. Large number of us, we get the things moving and forget the thing who has helped us. It is such a phenomenal magnetic force, attitude of gratitude, that it gives you tremendous energy. It gives energy to a person who has helped you. And sooner you express your gratitude. I want to share with you, I'm from a rural, rude, crude, rustic environment of India. But while I was commissioned, I learned first thing was make a card. And in those various cards, I was asked to make a thank you card. Can you imagine this? So word did anything for me, a special position or time to learn from. I always sent a thank you card to him or her. And you will be amazed to know that these girls and boys or whatever, the elders, seniors, juniors, we have all kind of, segment in the military society. My subordinate, oh God, the same thing happened, what happened with the old man. He says, मेरे को जिंदगी में किसी साहब ने राम राम नहीं बोला, तो मैंने जिनको कार्ड भेजा, और more so in civil life, we call it militarized and civilized society. So in civil life, people were surprised. अरे सर ये कमाल है, आपने ये कहाँ सीखा? भाई military has taught me mannerism, etiquettes, customs, traditions, ethos, ethics, values, conviction. And you will be surprised, I grew with my own colleagues, old friends who were there in the school, village school, and in the high school. And don't get surprised if I say from my high school, we are 2,000 officers. This is because we enrich each other's life. We motivate, we bolster, We feel happy, top of the world when we go. I visit them. There is a hall of fame there. Our photographs are there. That's what it is. So it not only motivates me, I'm a part of that, but it motivates other young children who are there. That if they grow strong, if they develop their personality, they grow as a person, in that light, their photograph will also be there. So this is what it is. So to teach you, to share with you special traits which you can read in Google and any of these books available to you, these are the issues which are more relevant, specific, teamwork. You all know, you all have been small children, now you're growing. You know what happened? When we are small children, one of us only leads us, because he walks smarter than us. He thinks things differently. And then he leads us. When he leads us, we really appreciate him. And who impresses you? Who is more than you? In life, only a girl who is more beautiful, who is more sharp intellect, who is the better appearance and bearing, so is the case of man, that will attract you. And more so, when you do not have those special traits which others have, that attracts you. And if you have, that means, what it means is, when you possess those, people will get attracted to you. And attraction is the life. If there is no attraction in you, there is no attraction in somebody, then it becomes a drag. And that is the reality of life. Your parents feel top of the world or feel happy of having brought you in this world because you are growing every day with something special. You are help to them, you are assistance to them, you are there. You know, how do we become stronger? Because of traits. If you develop various faculties, you take on various responsibilities, they feel very happy. So that's what the whole thing is. Life is all about. And you need not to copy anybody. You need not to, follow in particular a way of life. You keep your life open. I can assure you, let all noble thoughts come from all directions. That should happen. Why should you follow Rabindranath Tagore alone? Then you might become a good poet. But that is not the end of life. This is his dictum, which he has said, let all noble thoughts come from all directions. So this is my humble approach to understanding of the personality. And persona is such a thing, it is ongoing. Some people many times talk to me, "Bala sir, ye batao, how to overcome failure?" Kamal hai yaar. Failure to word is a fool's dictionary, it is found in a fool's dictionary. There is no failure in life. You start, you may gain or achieve 50%, 10%, but 10% you have gained. You have not failed. It is a ongoing phenomena of learning and teaching and growing and developing. It is not a failure. He says he has failed in 10th class. How does it matter? There were officers with us, those various exams we appear, and they fail. Next time he goes to Australia to do the course. Third time he goes to Kimberley. If he would have thought, "Main to fail ho gaya hu, what will happen with my future?" He puts in heart and soul and he takes on. Then he realizes where he faltered and he takes on. So it is ongoing phenomena. He goes to Kimberley, England, have a good time. And do the course and come back and everybody says he's a Kimberley returned. So this is what it is. So sooner that spirit in you, comes forward, or you imbibe those special, understanding of life, its entirety. And this is again yourself. Your ideas will come from yourself and those will come from your attention. The one of the questionnaire I have given, the receptivity is the interest, and interest leads you to attention. So that's what it is. So I would like to share with you that those handouts given to you, I hope you all have gone through them and adjust yourself. Where you stand, there are 5 grades, A, B, C, D.
Yeah, sir, I had given them on the.
Have you given doctor to them?
Yes, yes, I have given forwarded to them. I believe that that they need to take a printout and then maybe they can assess that. So we will take it forward accordingly, sir.
Okay, that's wonderful. Anyway, but they must get it. You will be surprised to know, I want to share with you, that they will come forward with such a degree of motivation that they need to grow from E to A.
Yeah.
E to A. So March is from E grade to A grade. This is a march. Sooner they realize this march, they will start. And once they get their position fixed, then they got to compare themselves with the world around, in society, in their day-to-day life. And they say, oh no, I have not judged myself. Okay, which I said with you earlier. Soon you realize that what you think you are and what you project you are and what you are, there is the three distinctly different things. So then say, no, I'm not in stage 3rd, I'm stage 2, or I'm in stage 4. This is called self-assertion, self-audit. And sooner they do, each one of them should have this thing on their table. And if they, read it, understand it, and analyze every day, they will grow 365 times in a year.
Yes, sir.
And if they do once in a week, then 52 times. I showed you this, children. This is what happened with me. So with all this, I feel that anything, because they would like to know more of the questions which have come to their mind, or so-called Sankhya Samadhan. I'll make every effort to respond to their inquisitive or their questions, whatever they wish to have. And they can be in touch with me personally.
Students, I request you to raise your hand or post your question on the chat box.
They can do that, and then you can forward to me, ma'am.
Tahir,
or
do
you can
have
speak
any
to
question?
me. They have right.
Even
the faculty members or anybody else.
Tahir, unmute yourself and then
Yeah,
post your question. Say your question.
Yes, ma'am. So, sir, first of all, good afternoon. And my question is, as you said that sometimes we are not the person, or we may pretend to not to be a person which actually people perceive that we are. So my question is, what according to you is the ideal situation, whether to stick to the perception of the people or whether to switch over the personality which we actually are sometimes, or in a way in or out to that?
Very good. I understood your question, sir. You know what it is? I was expected to be an intellectual. I thereafter had to exercise control on myself, and I had to rise to their expectations. So if somebody thinks that you are a big person and which you are not your own call from within, then you need to strive hard. You need to learn more. You need to reach out, seek out, and search out to rise to that expectation. This happens from parents, this happens from teacher, this happens from colleague, this happens from seniors, elders, junior, or even other countries' people. That you are from India, you are expected to know the Indian culture, which you do not, and you have been awarded there as a expert of Indian culture. But soon you should realize, oh God, I got to learn, read everything of Indian culture, because tomorrow I am called up again and I don't cut a sorry figure. So this is the state. I hope you got answer.
Yes, sir. Very nicely explained. And here, Tahir, I would also like to add on that these are इस प्रश्न के दो पहलू हैं. There are two aspects, Tahir. One is that कि should I be in my own skin? Definitely yes. Whatever you are, because I always believe that an individuality should not be lost just because somebody paints you down, somebody paints you in the other color, or somebody feels that you are not doing right, but in your inner passion, in your inner calling, if there is a conviction that yes, I am right, I can do right things, I am passionate about my goals, and I am what I am, accepting yourself as yourself is also equally important. However,
Fantastic.
as Colonel Lamba said, that if somebody has got higher expectation from you and you do not deserve that, then definitely you should strive hard and become what others want you to become. Like your parents, like your teachers, like your mentors, they would always have higher benchmark for you than what you think of yourself. So you may have to push yourself hard and make yourself a better person, an excellent person, a great human being. This is a very nice question, Tahir. I compliment you. Anybody else has got any question, please?
And I also add one line, believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself, yes.
Otherwise, who will? If you don't believe in yourself, who will?
Exactly.
Correct.
जूही, आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है जूही? अनम्यूट करिए, अनम्यूट करके अपना क्वेश्चन पूछिए जूही.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I wanted to ask that you were saying there are 12 personality traits of different people and 16 according to the Vedas you told us.
Yeah.
So, sir, I want to ask, if we want to study all them, can you suggest any books or through which we'll come to know about and understand the PP personality or PP traits that you want us to learn?
Very good. This is the thing is accessibility. You access to Google onwards and your teacher, your library, there is so much material that you will have to take many months to understand and read so many books. So best part is, suppose I have read 200 books or 2000 books on a particular subject or 2 books. You listen to me, so you will get a complete strength of 2 books. You don't have to read those books. Likewise, learn to reach out to gain, gather, garner, and as well read. Please, reading is a must. And while you read in between the lines so that you get the essence of it. Such as while I read, I was going through the genetical facet of it, and I said how temperament is formed. So many times when you read, you will be able to gain so much knowledge more than the author. While you can surprise the author. Author never knew that what is written to this extent. So if you read in between the lines, you will gain so much. And these books are ample available. There is so much, the teacher of your, Dr. Rajesh will tell you so much that you will have to, this life may go only writing which are the books you should read. So read more, apply more, that is the exercise. Okay.
Yeah, so Judy, to your question, my answer would be that we have umpty number of books in our library, and in the course also you have subjects on personality, employability, organization behavior, and so many other subjects would also expose you to these types of personality and personality traits, etc. You have business transformation, and many such courses are there within your syllabi. And more than that, you have 6 activity clubs. If you have seen the syllabi, you would see that there are 6 activity clubs. Somebody who is a writer would be associated with Kalam Club. जो बच्चे स्पोर्ट्स में हैं वो जाबाज क्लब में होंगे, जो म्यूजिक और लिटरेचर में है वो हुनर क्लब में होंगे. इस तरह से हमने और जो समाज सेवा में विश्वास करते हैं वो लोग ग्रीन क्लब में होंगे. इस तरह से हर एक के लिए हमने 6 क्लब बनाए हैं. तो all facets of your personality would get honed, and I would really request you to pick 3 clubs from the bucket list of your syllabus so that we can start the activities now here. Like, I really want all of you to today go back to your wardrobe, your shoe rack, and see that what is the thing which you are not using for quite a while, whether it is a book, whether it is a shoe or a chappal or a cloth or a winter wear which you are आप छोटा हो गया है या out of fashion हो गया है, but believe me, wash it, clean it and give it to us. We will give in your name to the needy person. That is where we spread the good practices and we will spread humanity. This is very important for a professional student of HR to understand the need of other human being on this earth and other living being on this planet earth. This is an important virtue. We all should think. आप इसको कलेक्ट करें, क्लीन करें, हमें ला करके दें, हम आपके नाम से, आपके हाथ से सही व्यक्तियों तक उसको पहुंचाएंगे. ये मेरा आपसे प्रॉमिस है.
Fantastic. Any other question, children?
तो सर बच्चों की
Yes,
पहली
sufficient
क्लास है,
time.
मुझे लगता है अभी ये लोग हिचकिचा रहे हैं, बट 18 जनवरी से जब कॉलेज खुल जाएंगे तब हम आपकी वाइब्रेंसी के लिए आपको यहाँ पर जयपुर से उदयपुर बुलाएंगे सर, तब आप पधारिएगा और तब इन बच्चों को समझ में आएगा
बहुत
कि जो
मेहरबानी.
वर्चुअली पढ़ा है और सामने देखने में बहुत फर्क होता है. तो डेफिनेटली वी विल कॉल यू फ्रॉम जयपुर टू एड्रेस आवर चिल्ड्रन एंड सर इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट ऑनर. And I wish to express my thanks to you for sparing your time out for our children online. And बच्चों मैं आपको ये बात कहना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट आता है कि मेरी त्वचा से मेरी उम्र का पता ही नहीं चलता. संतूर साबुन का एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट आता है.
Yeah.
और जोगेंद्र सिंह जी लांबा के लिए मैं यही कहूंगी कि सर के जज्बे से इनकी उम्र का बिल्कुल पता नहीं चलता. और he is such a great and अभी तो आपने वर्चुअल मोड में देखा और इनको सुना है, लेकिन अगर आप सामने इनको देखेंगे, इनकी एनर्जी लेवल्स और इनकी क्लास लेने का तरीका बड़ा ही नायाब है. आप लोगों का सौभाग्य है कि सर had spared some time to you and thank you so much for remaining there. I want to tell you that tomorrow the president of Tata Steel is going to address you, and day after the Secure Meters CHRO is going to address. On Monday, Dr. Vaibhav Garg from Maldives Accor Hotels would be talking to you. On Tuesday, Dr. Jaideep Singh Chauhan would speak from Power Grid Corporation. On Wednesday, you will have Dr. Hema Mani from Lennox. She is the CHRO there. And on Friday, you will have Patanjali's head HR talking to you. Like that, every day we have scheduled. आप लोगों का टाइम. अच्छा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से Puneet would be speaking to you on Wednesday. So Puneet has requested the time to be 12:30 in our India time because you know at that time he can spare time. So barring Wednesday, every day your class is scheduled at 11. Please join in at 10:50 every day. We would be keeping this meeting as a recurring meeting. So आप लोग join करिए और मैं चाहूंगी कल से कि आप लोग ना केवल notes बनाएं पर अच्छे questions भी पूछने की पूरी ललक रखें, पूरी interest रखें. Hindi or English is not a problem. Don't feel hesitated. Even if you have a question in Hindi, we can all understand Hindi. We can all respond in Hindi. हम अच्छे से हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं और एक दूसरे को समझने की अभी हमें जरूरत है. तो आप अपने प्रश्न जरूर पूछें. आज के लिए आप सबका धन्यवाद. कर्नल लांबा, big heartfelt salute to you.
Thank you so much, madam. Very grateful. What a great honor to be with the young dynamic children who are so patiently, who heard me so much, I could well see. And they were very thoughtful. They were trying to say, what this old man is trying to tell us. So I hope they have ascribed something out of the whole.
Thank you, sir. Thank
And my special thanks goes to Dr. P.K. Singh and other faculty members and Dr. Rajeshwari in particular, who gave me opportunity to talk to you all. And grow we must, but together. With young people, I will grow young. Thank you so much.
you. Thank you, sir.